What are the dangers of increased solar activity? Have you ever wondered how the sun's behavior can impact life on Earth? Increased solar activity, like solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can have serious effects on our planet. Let's break down what these phenomena are and the potential dangers they pose. Solar flares are intense bursts of radiation that occur on the sun's surface. Coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, are massive clouds of plasma that the sun ejects into space. When these events happen, they can interact with Earth's magnetic field. This interaction can lead to various disruptions that affect our daily lives. One major danger is the disruption of communication and navigation systems. Increased solar activity can create geomagnetically induced currents in power grids. This can lead to widespread power outages and communication failures. Imagine emergency services struggling to respond because their systems are down. That could have serious consequences for public safety and economic activities. Another concern is the impact on satellite technology. Solar flares and CMEs can damage satellites orbiting Earth. This can disrupt global positioning systems, or GPS, which many people relying on for navigation. It can also affect weather forecasting and other satellite-dependent services. The consequences could ripple through transportation, agriculture, and even disaster response efforts. Increased solar activity can also pose risks to human health. While Earth's atmosphere protects us from most harmful solar radiation, astronauts and people in space are at greater risk. They can be exposed to increased levels of harmful particles during solar storms, which can affect their health and safety. Moreover, solar activity can have environmental impacts. It can influence Earth's climate by affecting atmospheric circulation patterns and ozone levels. However, these effects are usually minor compared to the influence of greenhouse gases and other climate drivers. To address these dangers, infrastructure protection is essential. Governments should invest in safeguarding power grids and communication systems from solar-induced disruptions. This could involve implementing surge protectors and backup systems to ensure essential services remains operational. Establishing robust space weather monitoring systems is also important. These systems can provide early warnings for potential solar storms, allowing for proactive measures to minimize impacts on critical infrastructure. Lastly, international cooperation is vital. Solar activity affects the entire globe, so sharing data and coordinating responses to major solar events is crucial. By working together, we can better prepare for and respond to the challenges posed by increased solar activity. Understanding the dangers of increased solar activity is key for everyone, especially those in leadership roles. By taking proactive steps, we can protect our societies and technological systems from the impacts of these cosmic events.